Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's. They also have the Lowe's Pro Saving Days going on right now, so let's dive in. Alright guys, to get us started, we see some Ego options right here. We have the blower here for just under 300 bucks. That's a great deal for the Ego brand. Then we also have a few more Ego items as well on sale. We have some of their weed eaters. You can check some of these deals out and some of these prices, see if these are anything that you might need. And again, with the summer coming to a close here shortly, this is probably a great time to get some of these on a great deal. And then again, we see another option right here for the blower, so you can check that one out as well. Then we also have the Ego Pole Edition, so if you need one of these, you can actually add one of those as well. Then we have the chainsaw blade here for 10 bucks. 10 bucks for this, great thing to check out in case you need that for your chainsaw. You also have the light here for $135, again with the Ego option, so you get to save a few bucks on that one. Then we see another option right here for chainsaw blade for Kobalt, another great deal, get to save some money. Then we have some Craftsman outdoor items. We see some of their weed eaters right here on sale for 99 bucks. Also this chainsaw as well for $129. You can see this one a little bit smaller, but then we also have the mini chainsaw as well, and that's definitely on sale, so you can grab one of those too and save you a little bit of money. Again, in the Craftsman brand, they have some great items. They're definitely going to do a good job. Also have the blower here for 99 bucks. I think that one's going to do you a good job. And then also right here we have the chainsaw for 109. So again, pretty good option there. Check that one out. And then we also have the leaf blower as well. So you can check all of these deals out, see what might be available for your store. They also had some grills on sale. These were kind of spaced throughout the store, so you'll see some of these and I'll kind of mix in a few other ones. They also have some turf builder here for 46 bucks. If you're going to be doing a little bit of fall overseed, you can grab some of this stuff. Another one here for 61.89. Again, to get you some of your grass ready for the spring, go ahead and spread some of this out. We also had the Pro Saving Days, so you can see some of these kind of sprinkled in as well. Got this tool bag on sale here for Dewalt. Get to save $30 off of this. You also have the Craftsman option as well on a new lower price for $100. So if you're going to need some storage, again, Craftsman's a great brand. They're definitely going to do a good job for you there. Then we see some Klein tools. We can see some of these on sale. Different items right here on sale. Just different things. And again, I always like using Klein. They're definitely a good job if you're going to be doing anything in the electrical field. You can see some of their deals right here. And you guys know I love this little screwdriver option right here, the multi-bit, multi-options right there. It's a great thing to pick up, maybe even a gift or anything like that, really getting close to Christmas. Then we have a few more Klein options as well, even some knee savers. You can check some of those out. They also have the buy one, get one bare tool option here for Kobalt. You can see some of the $99 options, and then again, even some of the other ones for $129. If you need some of these, it's always a great thing to grab. And then you can just see, again, all the different ones they might have available. You can check your store and see if this is still going on right now. But you see the starter kit here. Get some of these batteries and chargers once you purchase some of these tools right here. Then we also have just some Dewalt items kind of sitting out here in the middle of the aisles. You can see some of these blades. Some of these are on sale. You get to save a few dollars on that. And then we have just a few different drill bits and other items like this. Next, we have a few of these drills available, 99 bucks. You get to save about $50 on that. And then a few other bit sets. Always great to have some of these. You don't go shopping for them all the time, but it's always great to pick some of these up. And then a few more accessories as well for some of your other blades and different things like that. Then Kobalt also had this deal going on, the 2-tool combo for $150, or you can grab some of these tools right here for 99 bucks. Then a few more DeWalt accessories. See some of these available. Again, some great ones. They'll definitely be some lifesavers when you need these on the job site, or if you're just going to be doing stuff around the house. Great to have some of these so you can get some work done. Craftsman also had some of their extendable options here for $8. This was picked over at my store, so you can let me know if some of these are available at yours. But some of these prices have dropped significantly here for Kobalt. So if you need any of these, you can definitely go and grab some. $149 is a great price for some of these tool sets here, especially if you need some of these for DIY or even for working and different things like that in the field. This is also a great option. Then we have a few more Kobalt tools and Kobalt ratchets here, so you can check some of these out. 24 piece, $34. Then again, one of the large sets here for $229. Also have a few other just accessories. Some of these accessories for your belt kits, pretty good deals right there. Then we also have this, again, just another little belt option there for $48. And then another brand I really like, Skil. We got some deals right here, $49 for these. That's a great price for that, especially if you're going to be trying to get into a new brand. You can see a couple of the other deals they have going on. A lot of these are on sale. You can grab some of these, and their batteries are reasonably priced as well. So Skil's a great one to get into. Then we also have the portable table saw. You can see this is part of the Pro Days. Get a good deal on that. Also, a few bucks off of this 10-inch table saw here for Craftsman. Another great option there. Then another option here for $129, a little bit smaller Craftsman one you can maneuver around and carry with you, but still a great price. Another deal they had going on right now for Craftsman is the 224 miter saw was down to $219, so you can grab this, save you a little bit. I also have the polisher here, Craftsman, pretty good price, $39. Pretty good option, especially if you're going to be polishing a lot of things. You want to be able to get this one and save those elbows. Then the brushless option here for Craftsman as well. Then Metabo had some deals. You can check some of these out. When you buy one of these kits, you also get a free impact driver, which is unique. I don't know if I've ever seen that deal recently, especially. But we have just some more discs available and some blades. So if you need to grab some of these for some projects, you can definitely do that. Also have some Bosch tools on sale. Grab some and get out there and get some woodworking going. And then a few more woodworking tools right here. You can see some of these prices. Even some Skils were in there as well, some routers. Get some of this woodworking done like I mentioned. Then we also see this other brand right here, just some different woodworking stuff. So if you need some of these, you can definitely grab those, save you a little bit. Then we had just a few of these spade bits available here. You can see a bunch of these are on sale. Grab some. Then we also have the Pro Saving Days right here for Dewalt. You can get one of these good deals right now. Then again, some great Metabo options. Similar to Skil, I think this is a little bit smaller brand, but they definitely have a lot of good deals going on. You can always check and see what might be available at your store. But let me know in the comments if you use Metabo, if you've ever used them before. You see some of these going right there. Pretty good price for that combo kit. We also have the impact option for $107. But I know they're a pretty good brand because they've been around a long time. Even though they switched up a little bit, they've been around. And again, and most of the time in the comments, people say they really like them. But you can see a lot of good deals going on right now. Then we got a few just bits available right here for Bosch, $17. You can pick some of these up. Also have some spider bits as well. So if you need to grab some of these while you're at the store, grabbing some other items. You can also let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. I also want to let you guys know that we're offering memberships now for the channel. So if you're interested in getting the video earlier before anyone else, or if you'd like your name shouted out in the video, you can definitely do that. You can click the join button right there, and I'd love to have you part of the team. But we're going to keep on rolling. We see a few more deals going on right here. Also have this Kobalt power source here for $8. Another great price for that one. Then a few more blades right here for Bosch. So you can save a little bit of money on these. A few more here for Spider as well. And then Craftsman too. So some pretty good deals. You can check a lot of these out. And Skil even has some of theirs up front. And then a few more options in Dewalt. again, a lot of these aren't the reason you would go, but some great things you can pick up. Then Craftsman has the select a free tool when you buy the battery here, so you can check some of these out. Pretty good options there. Then Dewalt also has their power stack here for $125, and then Dewalt had their combo kits on sale as well. So you can see some of these pretty good deals. Again, part of the Lowe's Saving Pros here. Then for my Flex friends, we have a few deals going on. We have the cordless impact wrench for $280. Pretty good option. A little expensive, but still it is a deal. Then we have a little savings here, 99 bucks for the Bosch option. You can check some of these out. Also the saw as well here for $99, 30 bucks off of that. Then we also have the reciprocating saw on sale as well. So if you're in the Bosch family and have the batteries, you can definitely check these out and you'll be able to save a little bit of money. Then for Dewalt, we have the buy one, get one free. Buy one of these tools and you get the battery for free with the Extreme Subcompact. Then we also have the compound miter saw here, $550 for Dewalt. Definitely going to be a good one for you. Then we have some batteries on sale. Always need to stock up on these when they're available and when they're on sale. You can check some of these out. And then also when you buy one of these batteries, you get to select one of these tools for free. So check those. Then we have some blades, even some circular blades as well. Then the Kobalt Quiet option here, so if you need to grab that, $219. Metabo also had theirs on sale for $211 on clearance. You can let me know if that's available at your store. Another air compressor option, but again, pretty good deal right there for $211. And we also had the Dewalt 4.5 gallon one for $339, so $100 off. Great time to pick up one of those. So another Saving Pro deal going on right here. You see one of these for nail gun, $150. See that option right there, again in the Metabo brand. Right here, $109, another option for Metabo there. And then we even see another one here for $99. So got some great deals right there. So some of these, even some of the pneumatic ones, you can check and see which one you might need. $79 here for the pin nailer. Again, Metabo option. They also had some of their Klein tools on sale. Only one of these available right here, but you can check some of them out and see if they're available at your store. They also had a lot of their Halloween decorations on sale, so you can check out a lot of these things. You can see they have all kind of stuff. And again, I mean, these have been out now for a few weeks. I know it's getting closer to Halloween, but still a little ways away. Then they got all your stuff that you might need. Again, we see all these things right here with the power cords and extension cords, and even some of the less scary stuff for everyone else. You can kind of put some of these out, little flags and different things like that, and even some of the licensed plush. You can grab some of those. You're going to have them out in your house or maybe even outside as well. See some of these, even some pillows as well. And we see a few more decorative items for outside. Let me know in the comments if you guys like decorating for Halloween or if it's something you just kind of deal with. We haven't done a ton of decorating for Halloween. That's not something we've done recently. But we do go trick-or-treating with our kids and they have fun. And you can see a few more items right here that they have available. And then even some of the jack-o'-lanterns and different things like that. But they also have some fun Disney stuff here too. And then they also had a couple like rain gauges and also thermometers and stuff like that that are on sale. So if you want to pick some of these up for your pool area or outside or any kind of thing like that, you can definitely do that. Even some decorations and different things. So pretty good deals on a lot of these. See some of these pots and different things like that. So check those out. So there's some more rain gauges and different things like that, some decoration things. And then here's the huge setup, again, at Lowe's. All these big, huge items. I mean, these things are massive. So if you grab these, you'll definitely have a huge area in your yard, but you can just kind of see some of these things. Some of them are singing and playing drums and all that stuff. They also had a lot of their Christmas decorations going up as I was there, which blew my mind because we are in September. But I mean, to each his own, I guess. So, and then they had a few more grills out. You can see some of these grills and some of the prices as well. Some Weber's, always a great brand. They've been going and doing this stuff for a long time. A lot of these are dropping their prices, trying to get rid of some of this old inventory. So you can see these and see what you might need. Again, right here, $319 for the char grill option. Pretty good price for that one. And then we also have another one here right at $500 for the charbroil. Pretty good deal and pretty good option there. Then we have another dual option here for $359. So if you want to have a couple different options here, you can definitely grab that one and check it out. But overall, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if you're interested, we just started our memberships for this channel. So you could join it and you will be able to get the videos early and then also get a few other fun access items being a part of this channel. Also, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.